Hi friends, how are you all? Hope you all are doing very well. I am also very good. Today, many of you have asked the question how I sharp my charcoal pencil. So I thought that let's make a video on this topic because many of you have asked the question. So let's discuss the matter how to sharp a charcoal pencil or pastel pencil. Charcoal and pastel both are very soft type pencils. So I works on both charcoal and pastel. I'll discuss three different process of sharpening. One, when you have time. Second, you have don't have time like me. I don't have really time to sharp the pencil with cutters. So let's discuss. Okay, so first process when you have enough money to buy a sharpener, and this is a manual sharpener. This cost around $10 to $12. Okay, so when you have $10 to $12 to buy a sharpener, you can buy this type of sharpener. This is a manual sharpener, and look, and this is the process, and the pencil goes in this hole, and you have to just rounding this part, and your pencil gets sharpened. Okay, this is a very simple process, but the sharpener is costly. I have used this sharpener once, but okay, discuss the easiest method and low cost method. Okay, when you have time, then you can use the cutters. Okay, use a cutter to remove the woods from the nib, and let's use a sandpaper and rub it on this sandpaper, and your pencil get sharpened. Okay, but this is a time consuming matter, and I don't use this method because I don't have time. When I have an idea to draw something and I have to sharp my pencil, then I don't use this cutter and like this, because this takes much time and idea gone from my mind. Okay, so the process I follow, I use two sharpeners, normal sharpeners. This is rupees 5 sharpener, and this is also normal sharpener, 5 rupees in India. Okay, and how to this is the last two pencils I used. The white charcoal pencil, you don't you see, and this is the these are the condition of last two pencils, and these are two pencils now I am using, and one is like in this condition. This is a pencil extender. One is in this condition, another is in this condition. So this is a brush stroke white charcoal pencil. These are very soft. Okay, so how do I sharp? I use this sharpener, normal sharpener. First, you don't have to push your pencil hard in the sharpener. Okay, just push slightly. And this is a long point sharpener, so this sharpener will remove the woods. So see my process. It can break one, just round it. Just revolve it. Don't push too much. Don't push too much inside this. Just halfway and remove the woods. Okay, so this pencil is sharpened. Now use this cutter, this sharpener. This sharpener is to find a tip, to sharp the tip, and just sharp. Okay, so my pencil is sharpened nearly. Now you can use a sandpaper and rub it to get a sharp tip. Don't push too much, just give a slight. And look, my pencil is sharpened. Okay, so this method I follow. Now sharp this pencil also. First use this to remove the woods. It can break, but when you slowly work, slowly revolving, then it don't get chance to break. Normal sharpener. One thing I have to say that don't use this sharpener after 5 times. You can use this sharpener maximum 5 times. Okay, so I bought the full packet of these 20 sharpeners. I used them, 3 left, 20 sharpeners, and it cost 100 rupees in India. 100 rupees means 85 rupees is $1. So 100 rupees you got 20 sharpeners. Okay, I use one sharpener for 5 times cutting, maximum 4 to 5 times, then I throw it, then use another sharpener. Don't use the sharpener many times. Okay, first use this and this type of small sharpener to sharpen the tip like this, and then use the sandpaper. And rub it slowly so that the tip gets sharpened. Okay, so now the tip is sharpened. Now when you draw a line like this, you get a small line. Okay, when you works with this, you get a sharp line, and after one line you just twist the pencil to get a sharp line. Okay, so this is the method I follow. Many of you have asked the question, so I thought it is a better way to give you the answer. So if you like it, then give a like. Thank you. Bye bye. Now I will draw something today, and this is only the method I discussed about sharpening. Next I will look at my last 2 pencils. This becomes so cute. Now let's draw something, and on black paper I will draw something on the black paper. This is my black sketchbook. This is from Brastro brand, and this is another black sketchbook. This is from Anupam brand. This is Indian brand. I have drawn many things here. The last drawing of this drawing is drawn here. This is the okay, you have seen all this drawing. Marilyn Monroe, any of these drawing are here. So let's do a drawing today, and I will post the drawing after this video. So keep watching. Thank you. Bye bye. Stay happy always. I am here to help you all. Don't take tension, just work with me simply and slowly and steady. Practice daily. You can win. You can get the result you want. Okay, so cheers.